Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. X. Today, let's demystify the world of stock trading in just 1 minute. So, how does a stock go from being a piece of a company to changing hands on the stock market? It's a fascinating process, and we're about to break it down. First off, stocks are traded on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or the NASDAQ. Picture these exchanges as bustling marketplaces where buyers and sellers come together. When a company decides to go public through an initial public offering (IPO), its shares become available for trading. Investors like you and me can buy and sell these shares through brokerage accounts. Now, here's the magic. The stock market operates on the principles of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock, demand, then sell it, supply, the stock price goes up. If more want to sell than buy, the price goes down. Stocks are traded throughout the trading day, and prices can change in real time. Investors place orders to buy or sell, and these orders are matched on the exchange. The process is facilitated by intermediaries like market makers or electronic trading systems. And there you have it. Stocks getting traded is essentially a dance between buyers and sellers, happening in the dynamic world of the stock market. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick insights, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us today on Mr. X, and happy trading.